Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing good. So I am back again. So welcome back to my channel. Myself Neetu and you are watching Neetu की life. So जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं इन दिस वीडियो आई एम अप्लाइंग हेयर ऑयल. तो ये हेयर ऑयल देखो मैं पार्टीशन कर करके सेक्शन बाय सेक्शन आई एम अप्लाइंग हेयर ऑयल. सो ये नॉर्मल ऑयल नहीं है. इट्स नॉट अ पैकेज्ड वन और सप्लाइड वन. ये मैंने खुद बनाया है. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इट बाय माई सेल्फ. सो फॉर दिस ऑल वी नीड ingredients I'll tell you in later on part. So continue watching it so you can see the method of applying oil. This is very much important when you are taking a proper care of your hair. If you are not indulged into good hair care or hair care routine or hygiene, so you won't be having a good hair. So to have a proper and good condition of your hair, you should follow a good ritual for your hair. So as we are done with the front side, now we'll use the same technique to apply by doing a part and section by section for the back side as well. So we'll be having a proper nourishment to our root. So for this oil, I'll tell you and before going ahead, I just request, it's a humble request, please subscribe to my channel and do let me know which all videos I should be doing it for you all. All right, let's jump into preparation. So we need amla, that is gooseberry, which is very beneficial for our hair condition and hair scalp and graying of hair. And you can see I have used coconut virgin oil. Now I am chopping amla into pieces to use it in our hair oil. And I'm also using black sesame seeds, which is very good for your hair scalp. And I'm also using and putting curry leaves, which is very beneficial and crucial for our hair growth. So although all the four ingredients is very good for your hair growth, and also plus point, it will reduce your graying. If you have started seeing one or two or some gray hairs in your head, you will see a magnificent improvement in your graying of hair. So these are the best oil. You can prepare it and you can boil it for, as I've shown in the video, you can boil it for 10-15 minutes. Once everything is boiled, then strain it and let it cool down, then apply it by doing section by section as I have shown. I've also put the remaining one into spray bottle so that we can spray it in our end as well. So like I have applying, you can see in the video, you can follow the same and do a proper heavy oiling and do it before you take a shower. And it could be like 10 to 15 minutes it will take, and then you can keep it for 40 minutes or an hour, and then you can wash it off. It will show you a tremendous improvement in your hair condition, hair hygiene. I'm also doing one of the you let me know in the comment section what asana I'm doing. It's been done by Baba Ramdev also, so I do follow it for my hair fall or for the hair growth and good condition. So now I'm preparing and combing section by section. So this is a proper and good way of combing and preparing. So I'm preparing hair 2 braids. Usually I prepare 1 braid, so now I've just made it 2. So you can see in the video I've done with 1 braid and now doing it the other. And also you can see that I have done a good proper heavy oiling. So you should also do it, and you can keep it for 40 minutes, good 40 minutes or an hour, or you can keep it overnight. I have kept it overnight, and then next day I followed by good mild shampoo and conditioner. And that's it for now.